Good morning and welcome to today's and latest daily video insight from Toggle. My name is Jan. I'm one of the co-founders and the CEO of Toggle. And if you like these insights, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out on toggle.global. Today, we're going to take a look at TakeTwo. And actually, specifically, we're going to look at an indicator, MACD, that's quite popular, particularly among some of the more chart-focused traders. What MACD basically is the difference between the short-term and the long-term moving average. And in many cases, one crossing over the other is usually seen as a proxy of the resumption or the completion of a trend. What Toggle is noticing here for the case of this stock in particular is that the 12 over 26 week MACD has actually turned negative. In other words, the short-term moving average has gone quite far below the longer-term moving average. And historically, across at least the 22 occasions that looked similar in the past that Toggle has analyzed, this has typically indicated that it's stretched far enough where actually the stock afterwards resumed the upward trend. So what's going on here is, as you can see from this starting point, that the expectation is that actually the central projection would take the stock up to about 205. But if the trend or the consolidation continues, you want to watch out for a price somewhere below 160. Now, just looking at this specifically on the longer term chart, you can see that this kind of a dip in MACD actually is quite common for this stock. In fact, it's happened quite often. It doesn't usually go substantially below zero, but it can happen. We have some cases here where this has happened. So the risk reward here is something that you need to watch out for. But nonetheless, we are looking at this as potentially an interesting entry point, because over the 3 to 6 month horizon that the analysis has found the strongest relationship, the stock has typically gained, or the median gain was about 17% in a range of 3.5% to 34%. Of course, in the shorter term, there definitely could be a correction to even as far down as 4%. Let's leave it here for take two. In the daily brief today, we also discuss the latest charges that the EU Commission has announced against Amazon and ask ourselves what that might mean for the stock price, if anything, and what that might mean for the Amazon business model. Thank you for your attention, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks.